Right, I don't know what I'm going to cook today, so I'm going to get some jacket potato, I think. Jacket potato is what I want to make today. I'm going to put it in the thing again. It's much better cooked in that. Where's my little... I've got potato, broccoli and avocado, and I'm going to get some meat as well. You know why you stab a potato before you put it in the oven? Because it explodes otherwise. I put this in for about 20 minutes in there, on high in the middle, and I'll find something to put alongside it. So it's on 180 there. So what do we do with the salmon? The salmon will only take about 20 minutes or so. So I'll half do that potato. Cook it for 20 minutes. 30 maybe. I'll do that for 30 minutes, then I'll put the salmon in for 20 minutes. Some water in here. Because we're going to put vegetables in that, we are having... Oh. Strawberries, I don't know what. That's so nice. It stops the fish smelling as well. I don't mind, normal food smells, but fish tends to. So to one van lifer, he was saying he liked fish. So he didn't like the smell of it in the morning in the campervan. So what I said was, put some of this in it, on the fish, and what that tends to do is takes all the smell away. So it won't smell of fish in here. Making these beautiful little delights. This is why I don't mind if the fish gets all, it's not like presented in one straight line. I'm just going to mix it all together. And I'll show you how I make my little dressing. And to make them taste nice, what do we do? Yes, get the turmeric. Make it a bit better. Turmeric in the broccoli. Cumin. I'll put it all in this glass. Just some cumin in there. Olive oil. Like that. Tight pepper. bit of salt. I don't have too much salt because I get a little cramp with salt every time I have it. There you go. Got some crisps as well. I bought some crisps the other day and I haven't eaten them. Where did I put them? I don't know. Okay, and just mix it all together. Oh, mustard as well. Just a little bit, well, a quarter of a teaspoon really of organic sesame seeds. All you do is just spread it over the fish anyway. Okay, so it's all squelched together in there. All you do is just mix it all over there. Mix it all around. It's not marinating really, it's just sitting there. Sitting there for a bit. I don't know who came up with that word, marinate. Marinate. Marinate is a singer dancer type person. Anyway, what we do, looks nice, doesn't it? Make a little parcel. Scrunch the ends together and just let that breathe through there. Okay, and make other. That's the broccoli with turmeric in it, and I'll put a little bit of pepper and salt in it as well. Otherwise, you know when you half of these vegetables that we eat in the UK are always bland, and the only reason they're bland is we don't experiment with all the spices in our head. Too much chives. I haven't used those. Stay there for a bit. Leave that there, and as soon as that goes in, we'll turn them on. That's it. This we'll have it on the plate. And it shouldn't be bruised like it was before. Let's have it, hopefully, it's a little prayer. Yes, it's lovely. Well, a little bit of a bruise on the outside, but it's okay. And there's the bit. And then when you put the salmon on the plate, you just mix this in with it. Avocado doesn't really taste of anything to me, but it's really good for you. It's very mild. Oops. Little sucker. Which film did that come from here? That always seems like a waste to me. Beautiful pip. Plant it over there, couldn't I? And then his own avocado tree. Let's turn this light on. Okay, what we've got here is grapes. Red grapes. I like the black grapes so much, and we've got avocado there. That's a nice jack potato, and we've got this fish, salmon, and mushrooms. Stick that there. Put it back in there. I do think I eat too much, but you know, since I've been doing this, I've been losing an awful lot of weight. I've lost 6 pounds. 6 pounds. That's good, isn't it? Now what we've got to do is mix that in with that. I should put it the other way around, shouldn't I? mix the avocado, mushrooms and salmon together. I know it looks horrible, but it tastes delicious. It is lovely, and it's all very good for you. I think Gordon Ramsay would be very upset with my plate. And I love jacket potatoes. I know they're not good for you, but I eat them. I love the jackets. Oh, that's where all the goodness is. Look at me, silly git. Just wouldn't make a very good cookery program, would it? And you watch how much butter I put on. Oh dear. Anyway, that is my jacket potato. Salmon, mushrooms and grapes.